You wanna look fussy, flashy, everything classy. Come to the hair zipper and get flashy. Hair zipper, hair zipper. Hair zipper, hair zipper. Na na na, yeah. Hair zipper, hair zipper. Hair zipper, hair zipper. Yeah. Come to the hair zipper.
I do it my way. Yes, you're most welcome to this channel, and my name is Maurice the Crochet Master. I go by the names of Maurice the Crochet Master. That is my personal account on Instagram. You can go and follow me up so that we can keep on chatting. Still, this is Hair Zipper channel, and you can go and follow Hair Zipper channel on Instagram, Hair Zipper channel on Facebook, and Hair Zipper channel on Twitter, so that you can be updated all the time whenever we post some new pictures, yes, of these different types of hairstyle. Yeah, there's something very small that I realized when doing the butterfly locks. Yeah, we have been doing this, and you have been doing this, but there's something that I'd like to I didn't know. I learned a lot from my clients, because we have clients who value their money. Like, we should plait them hair that lasts longer, and at times you find it difficult because most of them, they don't have the hairline in front, and maybe when the hair is very short, and then as you're locking this, you find like it might make the hair to come out very soon. With these butterfly locks, so there's some tricks that I realized that when you're doing it, you should use, and the ones that I'm going to be giving you in this video. So if it's your first time, please, to be on this channel, make it a point to click on that red button and ring the bell, so that you be the first person to be watching all my updates. Yes. So now let's get it on, and we see how we can do this. Number one, I would say that we should always try to make sure we arrange the butterfly locks in I would say in all shapes, because you have the shape that you'd want it to get, and me, I can also try to create mine the way I want it to be. Excuse me. So I really like these where, like, this last hair, you can see like the way it is short, there is that part that, like, these sides, you may reach where it is very, very short, and if you try to plait only the hair and then you just bring the butterfly locks, trust me, in just like 2 days or 3 days, it might come out. So what we always do, we always apply a little kinky, so that it can stay there for a long time. Yes, for a long time. And when you reach on this hair, for this, you can see it has got already a bigger volume. So excuse me. So this one has got a big volume. For it can stay firm with the hair for all that long. Because I realized that recently, there's someone I plaited, and in front she had got a short hair, and I kept on doing it. Excuse me. I kept on doing it like the way we've been doing with the long hair, just plaiting her own hair without adding anything. and in just like it was just like a week, and the one in front was coming out just because the hair was unplaiting itself. So I realized that I should tell you about this. Maybe if you have not yet experienced, but I know maybe you might get a client who has got that short hair in front, and you'd ask yourself what to do. But don't hesitate, just try to add that little kinky. Shouldn't add the big shouldn't put a big one, because you, excuse me, like it's not good. Yeah, it's not good to put a big one. So try to make sure that it's very small, because if it's a big one, then it might break someone's hair. You understand? Because those are the like two things. You're putting a big kinky, and then after going to put the butterfly lock, so that one won't be very good for that hair in front. You understand? So just have to put a little bit kinky so that it doesn't come out. So that one was the secret that I realized when I've been doing this. I told you I like sharing ideas, and yeah, please, if you have also an idea, you can just go and tell me about like the experience you got when you did this butterfly locks. Going into my comment section, try to comment something, because I wouldn't say that I'm perfect, but mostly I always like sharing ideas. That is my thing, though I do it my way. Yeah, but I like sharing ideas, because when I get your idea, I can get something from it, or I can use it. Yes, it's not a must that I'm supposed to use it. So and another thing, you have seen how I've been doing like mixing colors. Yes, you can mix your colors the way you want, so that yes, just like that, you understand, you mix colors and how you want it to be. And it looks very, very nice. So those are the things that, guys, you should make sure you try. You should make sure you do. And the last innings, this is how I make it look just like that. And number two, there's something I also realized, that this that some people have been doing the butterfly locks, and they try to overpack. Yeah, so when like overpack, I just like do just like, I don't know, but I feel like when the hair is not overpacked, it will also not going to give you a hard time. Though there are those clients who want their hair to be overpacked, and they come with this saying like they have small heads, so when the hair is too spaced, the head is going to look very small. And I don't believe in that sometimes, but it's just because on how you arrange your hair, how you arrange it is what gives more the look. You understand? So but I wouldn't advise to overpack the hair. Why? It's because sometimes when we do that, at the end you'd like to style, or you'd like to maybe to hold it puff, or to make like a band, but you find the hair is a lot, and you will need to be styling it from down when others are following. So it will try to give you a hard time, like the other picture, the video that I uploaded showing you how to style the butterfly locks. You can go and see that the hair was few, and when I started styling it, it was very, very fine and okay. Like it just took a few like a few it just made it easy for me to sell it, just because it was few on the head, and not like being few and you like overspace. I didn't mean that, but you just have to make sure you don't make it a lot, but you still give that person a big volume. So the trick is on how you're spacing. That's where it's going to come. So you just have to learn how you can space it in a way that, because now you can see mine, the way I'm doing it, it looks like it is overspacing when you try to see, but after you see the result that it was not spacing. So those are the things that you should always also try to work out to see that your thing is it's not that too much. It remains simple but very nice and flexible to do all the different types of styles in it. But I wouldn't advise it to be a lot on the head like other people just do. Just find someone is just locking anyhow you find it's very many on the head, and that will may lead on the blockage of hairline, since when you're overpacking it, that means you're holding a small volume of hair, and which it will not be firm with the long butterfly that is going to stay for all that long. So for those ideas that you have heard from me, I think it is my time to sign out. And guys, thank you for loving me. Thank you for loving Morris, the crochet master. And thank you for loving Hair Zipper. So you can follow me, you can tell your friend, tell a friend that this is the real channel that you need to subscribe so that we get to learn, we get to share ideas. Please tell me wherever you're watching me, go in my comment section, tell me the place you are so that I can know where you're watching me from. I love you so much, and may God bless you. Stay safe. Yes, this is Hair Zipper. Bye bye.